So this video goes two different ways. In one way, I would love to do a Tony rebuild thing, you know, because it's such a funny little dumpy motor and it'd be fun to do a rebuild on it. But then James leans in and goes, well, there's no point because it basically runs like a brand new one. They all sound like they're lubricated with rocks. And then further, James is like, they just don't really wear out. They have like very, very low tolerances. They run on the petrol equivalent of spicy water. We have personally run this on kerosene. And also, friends of mine have come and visited, and the first thing they suggested was, why haven't you tried lubricating the engine with olive oil? Italiano, buongiorno. We got the greatest ones that were at the local Australian Foodland, essentially. We got Bertolli's, and that's actual Italian. Where is it? Packed in Italy, and packed in Italy from imported ingredients. It's Italian enough. I could imagine somewhere out there, someone's got something like this, and if it's any oil versus no oil, how far do we get? Funny enough, Tony is the hardest one to get on the hoist due to the weird balancing act. All the weight's in the arse, but then there's no weight anywhere else. So before people get too upset about potentially kapowing this motor, number one, who cares? But two, this isn't Tony's original motor. We've got Tony's original motor. It came with the car, but this car came with this motor already in it. So there's no Tony purity up for whatevers. And also, you'd be blown away what you can weld back together and go again. Ceremonial removal of the arse. Is that happening? Yeah, boom, boom, boom. Arse gone. Oh no, you want to see a rebuild of one of these? You got to break it first before you can really rebuild it. So we're going to do this properly because funny enough, when you see some weird videos of like people's oil pans full of like jelly, gelatinous jelly, apparently that's what happens when people mix cooking oil with regular engine oil. So we're actually going to do a full olive oil flush. Don't we all want an olive oil flush? So you can actually get the whole pan off really easily. So we can really clean this thing out. And look at his little bottom end. Give it up, Tony. Tony hasn't had an oil change in since the beginning of this channel, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's like the oil that started this channel. So it is technically due. Tony don't want to give it up.
Oh, that feels bad.
Oh, is it cross-threaded on there?
Maybe.
Well, who put that on there?
I don't know.
Wow, Tony, why? Like, these aren't funny problems. This is just annoying problems. Damn it, Tony. I wanted unreliability, and I guess I'm getting it.
Got Lucas in it for sure.
Oh, hopefully. I hope it does. The thread seems fine, by the way, so I don't know. Just Tony things. You just taking all the bolts out.
That's how you drop a pan.
Yeah, well, I guess it's not just gonna fall out.
No, I'll when I get to the last one, then I'll worry about it.
There's a little wee-wee clutch. Why are you like this? What are you doing? Why are you like this?
Yeah.
Oh, this guy! This guy, everyone. Who is this guy? All right, there's no bolts in it anymore. We've seen some
That's
parts.
on.
Oh, wow.
Thought it would just pop off.
Yeah, there's no bolt holding that on, by the way. And that's amazing because it still leaks.
Yeah, alright.
Now that I've formally announced what Tony's fate is, Tony's just started kicking up a fight. Wow! Oh no, that's been boogered on. It's been borderline JB welded on. Oh! Yay! Oh, look how clean that is! That's Mitch! As James said, these things just don't wear out.
No, it's just everything attached to the motor that fails.
That's the most There's nothing. There's nothing. There's one crank there. There's one weight. And that's it. And both pistons go up and down together. They're so tight in here. It's cleaner than the interior.
There is some actually.
Oh, what?
Now that we're getting thinner, there's some glitter in there.
Oh, hang on. There's huge chunks.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, what's that? Yeah, we're panning for alloys. Yellow?
I don't know what those things are. Oh, they're from the old timing chain. Look, they're timing chain. They're timing chain links. Unless they're from the current timing chain.
Oh, it's
I changed it.
yeah, but new parts.
Yeah.
Can't get over how clean that is. That's so. I guess it's not really doing anything the whole time.
Oh yeah, they are flakes.
Oh yeah. Oh.
There's a whole collection of flakes down here.
Ew, what is all that?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Ah.
There's more bits of timing chain.
Good.
I
Good.
wonder if we should check that timing chain.
Yeah. It's literally gravel. It's just full of beach gravel.
Well, that looks
Aquarium
like
gravel.
brass, so that could be.
Ooh.
That'd be bearings of some like crank bearings probably or something.
Oh, no kidding.
Oh, look, this is glittery with the actual light on it.
Wow. No, take it all back. This is bad. It's really bad. There's huge chunks in here. It
Yeah.
actually looks like we're prospecting. It's actually chunks of gold in there.
It is cold.
Crap.
Too nice too.
Yeah.
I think
You think that's the new timing chain?
it doesn't look old.
James thinks they're off the old chain because the new one seems to look different.
Yeah, I don't think it's got those bits that stick out to fling the oil.
And that's as much as we're going to investigate. Seriously, Tony's a freak. How can you go from looking literally brand new to simultaneously the worst crankcase I've seen other than the eggnog video? James is still doing a little bit of looking as to why there's so many sparklies in the pan. Let's see if there's any end flow.
It does have a little bit.
I'd expect as much. This engine's rooted.
Could be thrust. It could be thrusts.
Yeah, any of you who are getting like worked up about putting olive oil in this thing, chill. It's effed. Gotta save all these chunks. They're so big.
Yeah, we got a collection there.
That's everything that was in Tony's pan. Time for the first lot to go in. The first rinse to get the rest of the oil out.
Strainer in the top.
Oh.
Okay, pause very slowly. Maybe I'll take the strainer out.
And funny enough, this costs so much more if we used any engine oil at all. Like, at the same supermarket for like $10 you can get some 20W50 or whatever's going now. But yeah, this is expensive. The viscosity's about what modern oil is.
Yeah.
So the real issue with this stuff is like, it's gonna get hotter in here than it would doing cooking stuff. And you've probably noticed when like a chip shop has like really old oil, it's burnt oil. It's got a thing to it. That's probably what's gonna happen.
We want the final to be 2.5 litres. So what's left over after 7 times 750 mils?
Don't ask me to math. I reckon one more, and that'd be enough to run it, right? Best tasting engine oil yet. And what, is Castrol in second? No, it'd be Penrite. Penrite in second after olive oil. It's a distant second.
Yeah, I'd have that on some bread.
So 3 bots to a full Tony. That seems to be the ratio.
Well, it's not. It's 2 litres. It needs 2.5, but for a flush, it's fine.
All this needs now is a garlic bread air filter. It should be said. This thing's now just a big olive oil pump. Check the olive oil levels.
Yep, we're halfway up.
Nice.
We have enough olive oil.
Half full of olive oil. This is just to get the rest of the regular engine oil out of it, because that's what I reckon is going to cause a reaction. Well, got to start up Tony so we can get this olive oil circulating around. It's going to take ages though, because Tony's completely dry. Yeah! Well, so far it sounds exactly the same. Like an up-spec lawnmower. Smells the same so far. No difference in sound so far. No. It's being lubricated with olive oil. Like, what is this, tapered or something?
It is tapered, yeah.
That's why it's so chewy.
Yeah.
It's gonna be pretty dark. It's gonna wash all the old oil out. Ooh.
Too bad.
It looks great. Oh, foam.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Aeration, something this doesn't have some sort of additive package to avoid.
Yeah, that's true.
Yep. It's not just about being slippery. So yeah, this is going in for realsies. This is Tony's actual engine oil now. You know, like you think about cars having liveries with like Castrol or like whatever. I'd love the Bertoli one on this. Bertoli race team. Last of the Bertoli going in, then it's full of olive oil. And ready to get slippery. Nothing left to do but to check the Bertoli stick. Full of Bertoli?
It is.
Nice.
Yay.
Yep, full of olive oil. This is for reals. Olive oil Tony is go. Sounds good. We're past 30 seconds It is officially better than the Teller. Alright, olive oil Tony away. You drove one of these for 10 years, James, so you'd be able to tell us when it sounds more effed up and bad.
Yeah, so far it sounds pretty normal.
It sounds very normal. Lubricated with olive oil.
Yep. Should I drive it hard or easy?
You drive it, I mean, you have to drive it hard. That's the only way these work. Coming in at 30 kilometers an hour. What a race car. People just wave to you when you drive fast on the turns.
Well, idling fine.
It sounds fine. Tony doesn't sound any different.
No. So I'm turning, okay.
We're past 4 minutes now. Tony still sounds like Tony.
Yeah.
Which is bad. It's a bad sounding engine.
Yeah.
But to manufacturer spec bad.
Yeah. Temperature is, I don't know.
Yeah, there's no temp gauge. You just listen for the pinging.
Oh, you can smell it.
I can smell it. The exhaust. It's Italiano. Smells like a really bad restaurant.
It does, yes.
Yeah, like they haven't changed the oil in a long time. We're past 5 minutes now. Tony is still Tonying. But Tony literally sounds the same still.
Yeah.
This thing really is the best friends mobile. There's a whoa, you lock her up? Well, that's 10 minutes. 10 minutes of hard Tonying.
Yeah.
Still, it's fine.
I've been putting my foot flat every takeoff.
You have to. It's the rules.
Yeah.
I guess.
That's not leaking, that's fine.
No, it's cooking oil smell.
I guess
Straight up, combustion engines have to burn oil to work. It's how they work. And so, it's the best smelling Tony exhaust I've ever smelled. It's perfectly smooth. Listen to it. No rattles or knocks or nothing. We just let it idle for a while. James is looking up the boiling point of olive oil. It's not like 300 degrees Celsius, but the smoke point is around 190, 200, which is what we're smelling. Seriously smells like an unwashed barbecue, which is to say it smells like a barbecue.
Yeah, the oil light works.
Oh, the oil light does work.
Yeah.
Things are so swimmingly, we're just assuming that the oil light doesn't work. Just oil.
Not burning me either.
No.
And it looks clean still.
It looks great.
Looks really clean.
Yeah, it smells good.
Yeah.
That's delicious. I thought it'd be all foamed up or something.
Yeah, I thought there'd be something
Wow.
different.
Yeah, watch
That's
that
why
exhaust.
that's why I got the rag.
Well, get it back on. Yep. James said when you shut it off, if there's heaps of resistance because it's locking up, it'll go doo-doo-doo and immediately turn off. This isn't doing that. This is happily spinning a bit. Actually, yeah, shut it off again. That sounds so normal. Oh, the battery. It's been idling for like a while now, and there's nothing left but to keep thrashing on it. Who's gonna give up? He would have given up.
That was valve bounce.
Well, it runs totally fine, and no rattles or knocks or nothing. Tony's been Tony, and so we can only conclude that the greatest engine oil that everyone should be putting in their car right now, right, put it, olive oil. Yeah, fill your car with olive oil. Please don't. Well, now it's like, how long does Tony run on olive oil for? I'm gonna have to like drive him I'm gonna have to take him for walks every night and document, does it actually affect anything long term? Because as it stands, all we've done is made it smell delicious. And it's all exactly the same. That's the only difference. So, olive oil, great success.